Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Jojo Rome's in the house in your mouth like ooh.
Back at it with another video. Hey, Mr. Penn is back. We got a Mr. Penn video. He just popped up out of nowhere. Everybody know Mr. Penn been gone for a while. So he just put a video up. I just happened to randomly go to his page. It's a little quick video. So let's run through this video real quick and see what it's talking about. But Mr. Penn, hopefully, Mr. Penn is back. So before we jump into the video, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Romy Roman's in the house, in your mouth. Romy Rome, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth. Like, oh, oh. I say, oh, oh, oh. Peace, love, light and healing. Peace to the gods, peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there, all right? Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. See what Mr. Penn got. Nobody home, dude.
Officer of the court about to make armed entry. Need you to come to the door. Officer of the court. Yeah.
Change the locks.
Officer of the court.
Oh, they already done moved up. They already gone, Mr. Penn. They already moved out of there. And they gone, bruh. Ain't nobody. Either they then got arrested, they moved out, they on vacation, something. Cause ain't nobody there. They know. Look, they boxed everything up. They already knew it was coming. They already knew they was getting evicted. They packed up what they could and they got up out of there. Be careful, boy. Somebody might run up by one of them rooms too. That's what I would be thinking. I'd be apprehensive. Like somebody gonna hop out a closet or around the corner somewhere and try to grab me or something. Ew, look at the toilet water. Ugh. Or, it could be a druggie house. What if you walk in and somebody, like, OD'd and passed out? They got an animal, which is gross. Ugh. Look at that cage, man. Creeping around the corner. They left all the TVs. Look, it's a trap house maybe. Yo, this make his job easy. He ain't got to evict nobody. He ain't got to worry about no attitude. He ain't got to worry about people arguing with him and fighting back. It's an easy job. Take some pictures, get them people the keys, say, ain't nobody there.
Who's ready? Yeah, put the tire out there, yes.
Hey, that tagging and drawing on the wall makes me think that it was some druggies in there. You know? Like, look at the art. You can tell there was art on the wall or something. That's like the dude from the Boondocks. Look, that picture on the wall, that's the Boondocks little kid, ain't it? Sonic? You know what they say? Look at the filth on the walls, man. Like, yo, whose hands is that dirty? Should have put some gloves on, Mr. Penn. Wow. Hey, that was it. That was it. That's probably the quietest, easiest, simplest eviction I've seen from a Mr. Penn video. There wasn't nothing in there. Wasn't nobody in there. Wasn't nobody there. They already was prepared. They must have got out before the eviction. You know what I'm saying? You know, some people wait. They be 21 days past, 12, 10 days past, whatever. These people was ahead of the gun, seemed like. They were like, all right, we already know he coming. let's just get what we can. What we can't take, we just can't take, and we just gonna get up out of here. You know, maybe come back later if they can, if they got keys, get the TVs or whatever. But for the most part, that's an easy job for him. Go in there, take some pictures, have his dudes move some stuff out, and that's a great way to come back if he's back. So we'll see if Mr. Penn is back. We'll see if he puts up more videos. If he does, and you know, we got, that'll be nice because we'll have some more videos to watch. I know his videos have been missed by a lot of followers, so we'll see. All right. Until next time, y'all. Be easy. Call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Still on the chase to 2,000 subs, so please spread the word. And lives are coming back soon. All right. Be easy, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.